Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and permissions so the emulator can actually talk to tags. Once done, install the chosen Nfc Emulator app and any drivers. This ensures low-level access. Make sure to enable developer options and toggle NFC. Next, load the tag data you plan to emulate, NDEF payload, UID, and access keys, because you will need them when mapping profiles. This step avoids backtracking and config errors later. It sets the foundation. You now build the emulation profile that the reader expects, and this is where detail matters. First, pick the correct tag type, Type 2 versus Type 4, and enter the exact UID and memory layout. Then add NDEF records and any custom TLVs or lock bytes. You want the payload to mimic a real tag. Once configured, preview and run local tests in the app to validate timing and response patterns. If you see mismatches, tweak power settings and response delays. You finish by deploying the emulator to the real reader and verifying behavior under real-world conditions. Bring the device within a couple centimeters and orient it like a real tag. Proximity and angle affect coupling. Then run a diagnostic capture or sniffer to confirm ISO frames, ACK, and that the NDEF payload is delivered. If something goes wrong, check driver permissions, disable other NFC services, and ensure the emulated UID and security keys match the reader's expectations as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.